In front of me is Realme C51 and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll down again. Click on display size and text. And last but not least, use this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finish, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!